Hello students, welcome to Edufy. Today we are here to discuss about the prehistoric India. Prehistoric, what is the meaning of prehistoric? It means that when your history has not been started to be written. So in this age, we shall see the various periods that has came up in India. So let's see. So here we will specifically see the Stone Age. What is Stone Age? Stone Age is part of your prehistoric India, wherein we will see that the man has recently evolved into the present form of human that we see today. That is, you can see the picture that how the man has evolved from the apes to being a upright hominid. Okay. So in this lecture, we will see the part of prehistoric India called Stone Age, where man will be using the stones. Now let us see how this age is defined and how this stage is going to start. So Stone Age, you will see it will be starting from around 2.5 million years ago, and it will go on till 5000 BC, or you can say around 2500 BC. So this is 4000 or 2000 BC. So it will be marked by the use of stone tools. That is the major feature of Stone Age. Can you see the background image? How the man is using various tools, lightning fire. That is the characteristic of Stone Age. Next, we will see that this Stone Age is divided into various periods. So, what are those periods? First is Paleolithic period, the longest period in the Stone Age. Then we will come to Mesolithic period, and the last but not least, the age of revolution, that is the Neolithic period. Now coming to the first period, can you see this? How people are collecting the woods, the burning the fire and eating the raw material, they are hunting, they are gathering, they are using the simple stone tools. And that is the characteristic feature of your first age, that is Paleolithic age. If you break down this word Paleolithic, it means paleo means old and lithic means stone. So it is Paleolithic, old stone age. Now here we have what type of activity being done by the people? They are hunting, they are gathering, they are living the nomadic life. There is no agriculture, there is no domestication of animals. Now coming to the second period, here the man has advanced a little bit, and you will see this age is called Mesolithic. That is, Meso means middle and lithic means stone age. Middle stone age. In this period, one characteristic feature is use of very small tools. Means the accuracy of man is increasing. You will see use of microliths. Microliths means the small stone tools. And here one specific thing that has come is domestication of animal begins. With sheep, domestication of goat, the man will start doing. So you will see the picture of Mesolithic era. Now coming to the third period, which is also called as revolutionary age, is called revolutionary period in the Stone Age is Neolithic, that is the new Stone Age. Here man will be using not just small tools but moreover the polished tools. Along with being using the polished tool, he will also have the knowledge of agriculture. He will be living settled life. Till now man was nomadic, like he was roaming here and there and living at one place in for a short and brief period of time. Now he will be living in a proper house. That is a settled lifestyle. See, ghar banne lage. Can you see this? Houses being made. So we have seen three periods: Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Neolithic. Paleolithic, hunting, gathering, fire. Mesolithic, use of small tools, microliths and animal domestication. Neolithic, agriculture and settled life. Now you can see some of the important sites for the various periods. One of the important site you can always quote, whether it is Paleolithic period, Mesolithic period or Neolithic period, is the Bhimbedka caves, the famous caves present in MP. You see, if you go to this place in MP, you will see lot of carvings being done on the caves, and today they are UNESCO recognized also, and we are preserving this site. Next, you see the Gufkral. Gufkral is a location in Kashmir. It is famous for pit pit type of houses. You can see pit dwelling. People used to live in this small pits. That is the specific feature of this site of Gufkral. Another important site of a Stone Age is Chiran in Bihar. Can you see this houses being construction being made? People used to live here. So as you have seen the timeline, around 2.5 million years ago, your Stone Age begins and it will end around 500, or you can say 2500 BCE, and then in India we will transit to the next stage that we will call the Chalcolithic period, and with the Chalcolithic period there will be coming of Indus Valley civilization. So that was how our history, or you say the prehistory, actually begins, and that is the timeline of your prehistory. Thank you very much.